he is showing this near the Argentina, that Galperia, where they killed this Maradona. And they have devastated the weather conditions of Europe in this time. That is maybe their new strain, these Bengali criminals has spread, because they have lot of spread. They have started this doing plague in Gujarat, then that bird flu, then swine flu, then SARS, then coronavirus. The lot of these, they who killed the Palm Island scientists to get all the facilities, to mechanisms, the pathogens, that Sudris everywhere to they move this place from here and there. So to do the lot of remaining undersea, the ports, that Croatia, Turkey, Scotland, Portugal, Spain, Italy, Madagascar, then at the Sri Lanka, they have got Panaji, Goa, everywhere they are creating lot of climatic condition change. There's a very bad fellow. They have taken Taipei in the white farm people. They have captured that all facility fund taking from UN, UNICEF, etc., misleading the whole humanity, just harming, the killing the people just like beast or sacrificeable deers, like hunting, killing. This is their ridiculous killing practice. Particularly, yes. This Adelaide they have captured. This whole area's disturbance of the Australia's climate done by this Indian blue whale under blue people, blue sea peoples. Blue sea peoples, they are devastating the whole world. The BBC, some peoples are good, some peoples are so wrong, who are Indian origin. They are particularly the rubbish criminal. They are not at any great face. All these bogbash faces they have brought. These bogbash faces criminals. This is a criminal Indian bonds. If they have captured now, the purpose. This is a bastard. The bastard wolf to blame Donald Trump, the cybercrime doing by Russia. It is these peoples are very, very bad criminals. This is they are misusing, misleading these peoples. They have taken tens of millions mechanical criminals. Climate change is not carbon dioxide. This is Trudeau is also little bit that hard talker is totally criminals, people to mislead us, the humanity. These peoples are bad. This also bad people. These peoples who are doing the name of the travel show. This travel show. Magi, Bengali, witches. Here, some people are still good, but most of the culprits criminal. You have to be very careful about these criminals. To do it, they may be mixed type of Bengali Indian, Anglo-Indian culture. Trump, whatever done, good done, he has done, because those peoples are not responsible with any kind of cyber crime. What of cyber crime, digital misusing by this blue whale Indian, that Google peoples, Microsoft, that is Epson, the Dell, that HP, lot of this communication, that Adan group of Indian bonds, they have hacked the geophones of Indian makes. All this, the China bonds, China puppet, Pakistan Islamic Dubai people, lot of doing crime name against the humanity. This is very, very bad. You have to wake up Joe Biden. You cannot excuse. Any leadership cannot take excuse, denying, blame, information, warning on the religious days as a Jesus. You can ask Pope, any religious spiritual power. I am Sri Robinji from Mullu, Kugogat, Sri Ramji, Lord Krishna, Buddha, same three peoples are predominantly for Raj, Archaism, Archa. We are Archa dynasty. I am from Archa family, royal. I am his only living royal capacity at that religion/ world as a remnant's power to save at such unprecedented crisis of humanity at various fronts. You have not seen such type of abnormality in the name of cloud, in the sky formation, cloud formation, sudden choking of wind flow, choking that climate, annual, seasonal, airflow direction change. Airflow is coming from gradient against hot to from cold, from hot to cold side. This is abnormalities caused by these fake climatologists, national oceanographic administrative authorities of Mexico, Gulf, etc. All these peoples are criminals to do wrong in the name of this type of science. UNICEF, UNESCO, they are badly misused. Vienna office, Australia, atomic research, they are badly used. UNESCO, they are badly used to hold all the World Organization, World Meteorology Fund misusing. Not all peoples of Sositharus also they are these people. She has killed her wife, who has learned this thing. Even Prince Diana was killed by these peoples. Mujibur Rahman was killed by these people. Indira Gandhi was murdered by these people. Rajiv Gandhi was murdered by these peoples. Lot of conspiration, either visible way, invisible way. Now they are best of the best invisible way. Invisible way killing earlier was difficult. Now it has been so dreadful, they can kill a people within a half an hour or 1 day or within a month. They can trace with when the face are booking by Facebook, news, video channels, all the private peoples, all TV channels of US and all these culprit criminals has been captured. Singapore, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Dubai, Doha, Jordan, Turkey, Croatia, Sicily, Madagascar, Australia, New Zealand, everywhere, Netherlands. Then you have that Iceland, then is your Greenland, Switzerland, Paris. They devastated Paris with infiltrating anti-European white peoples. This is their long agitation in the name of the freedom, racist or economic crisis, all that created by them only. They are lavishly misusing oils from looting Colombia. They are using in Cuba, etc. that peoples. He has been pardoned. All people has been pardoned. That is a good, or is the for sake of God. For sake of God, good people should not be punished. Now, people, Joy Biden, you have to watch this. Kamala Harris, as per my instruction, I am the only religious authority. Shri Robinji is giving on the sake of humanity that you are doing crime against the whole humanity. That climate change is not for carbon dioxide. It is for man-made mechanical gravitational field. Rana Odhikari California is also to go this why undersea, and this your Obama why going to this why undersea. I cannot.
I think of what the president's already done with pardons. Isn't there? Of course, Democratic presidents issued a lot of pardons.
There will be a lot of blaming Donald Trump. From the scenes when the Donald Trump good man come in this post as if he was to punish. But Modi, Haramjada, Narendra Modi to mislead him when he asked all his things good. But Donald Trump was asking